Alrighty, guys. Good morning, everybody. Happy Wednesday, the August 9th. Hope you guys are doing good out there. Glad to have everybody here for today because we have ourselves a really kind of nasty day here for today regarding severe weather. We are talking all hazards being a really big concern. Today's going to be pretty nasty regarding tornadoes, possibly EF2+, as we do have a hatched tornado risk here for today. Same thing for damaging winds, hail. We'll talk about all that here in a second. But what's up, everybody? Hope everyone's doing good. Let's go ahead and see who is here for today. Let's see. We got ourselves Edward. We have Emily. We have Arthur. We have Randy. We have Scott. Let's see here. We have Natalie. We have Kai. We have Toby. Let's see. Mary, Finn. See, I'm trying not to miss anybody. We have Zero. We have Ran, 28K. Let's see here. Depressed and Stressed. We have Hank, North Carolina Outdoors, Ice Cream, Mario. What's up, guys? Hope everyone's doing good. Like I said, glad to have y'all here for this morning. So, we're going to dive in. So, for this live stream here, guys, we're going to be talking about the overall risk. We're going to be diving into the timing of the event. We're going to talk about personal forecasts. We'll do that, too, towards the end of the live stream. So, you might want to hang tight if you want your personal forecast to be read for today, because I will be doing those later. Just in order to make sure you guys are prepared and that you guys are staying safe out there. So we'll be doing that here in a little bit. But in regarding to right now, let's just go ahead and jump on over here to today's risk. Now here's tornado probabilities for today. If you're in any shade of this color here, you got a tornado threat for today. Now obviously if you live across the dark green area, the odds are pretty low. So this is a 2% chance for tornadoes across the areas here of the dark green region. Let's see, we're going to go ahead and change colors here. So there's a 2% chance for tornadoes across areas like St. Louis. We have portions here towards like Chattanooga, Tennessee. We got, let's see, portions here of Arkansas. So like I said, obviously, you know, the area in the dark green is the low-end tornado threat for today. But once you move our way into the brown, that's a 5% chance of having tornadoes within 25 miles of your location. And in the yellow, that's the big threat with a whopping 10% chance of having a tornado within 25 miles of a location. And you might notice how we have this kind of, this black, you know, kind of circled area here throughout portions of southern Missouri and northern portions of Arkansas. So this includes like Cherokee Village, Arkansas, let's see, Pocahontas, Corning, we have, let's see, we have Piggott, we have Salem, we have Mountain Home, we have Bull Shoals, and then obviously here towards Springfield, Missouri. Springfield is actually in that significant threat for tornadoes. Now what this black circle means, it basically says we have ourselves a 10% chance of seeing tornadoes, potentially EF2 to EF5. Now, obviously, we haven't had an EF5 in several years. That's debatably by some people. Some people would believe that we've had one more recently, but we haven't had one from the National Weather Service specifically. We have not had one since 2013. But still, there's a chance for some strong tornadoes for today. And like I said, that'll be mostly across portions of southern Missouri and northern Arkansas here. So this includes, obviously, like I said, once again, Springfield, Missouri, and the really big tornado threat for today, Poplar Bluff. Let's see here, Piedmont, West Plains, Ozark, Branson. Let's see, Dexter, those regions out there is kind of in that big tornado threat for today. So that's overall the view. Now, if I take a look over here at the convective outlook, here is today's severe weather risk. So once again, we have a pretty large shot for severe weather. Once again, the dark green, that's where the severe weather threat starts, okay? The severe weather threat starts all the way from basically portions of, you know, central Texas, going all the way up to western Ohio, and as far down south as western, kind of northwestern Florida here. Basically giving you a 5% chance of seeing severe weather across portions here of, you know, the areas in the dark green. So basically, this is the boundary where we have a 5% chance of having some, you know, some severe thunderstorm activity. Meanwhile, we have the yellow, which that would be a 15% chance of severe thunderstorm activity, and in the orange, we have a 30% chance of having severe weather every 25 miles across those locations. So that is something that we have definitely got to look out for. Once again, today's biggest threat will be across portions of like northern Alabama, northern Mississippi, central western Tennessee, southwestern Kentucky, southern Missouri, central northern Arkansas, and northeastern Oklahoma. That orange area, that is the area that we have got to be really on alert for today, in terms of, like I said, basically in terms of severe weather. That is a really good likelihood. Let's see, I'm going to turn, let's see here, display settings. We're going to, let's see, what am I going to do here? We're going to change this to the dark screen. Oh my gosh. Dude, that scared me. What's all this about? Hold on. Stupid test. Dude, that scared me to death. Oh my gosh, dude. Whew, that got my heart racing. Okay, anyways, we're going to change to the dark presentation here. I don't even know if y'all heard that. You probably did, but it was really loud for me. It's just a test of the weather radios. Anyways, so in terms of, once again, the biggest risk area is across the orange. Make sure that you guys are weather aware for today. Now, we're going to break this down for the wind here. Like I said, we actually have a really good shot here for some, like I said, we already have a really good shot here for some damaging winds. Now, here's the problem, okay? Across the red, we have a 30% chance of seeing damaging winds. Like I said, across the areas of the kind of this area of the dark red, how there's no black hatched area, this is a 30% chance for damaging winds 60 to 70 miles per hour. That is kind of what we're looking at. However, once you move into the areas of that black region, where that little netting goes through, that right here in this area here, this big this kind of circle here, this black circle, that is where we have a shot for potentially winds over 70. Probably 70 to 80 is kind of in the boundary, maybe even higher could be possible. Let's see here. Tests can be quite loud. They sure can, dude. That scared me. That scared me to death. Usually it doesn't scare me, but I was not expecting it. I guess it is Wednesday. Yeah, it is Wednesday at right on 11 o'clock. That's usually whenever they do the test. But anyways, let's see. I don't even know if I'm in the site or marginal. Well, like I said, guys, we'll be doing the personal forecast here in a few moments, so just hang tight for that. And then whenever it comes to the hail probabilities too, still a 30% chance. The greatest area of seeing hail for today would be across portions of southern Missouri, extreme northwestern Arkansas here towards like Rogers, Bella Vista, Eureka Springs, and in northeastern Oklahoma towards like Miami, Commerce, let's see, Jay, mostly just northeast of Tulsa is where this is at here. So overall, that's the risk here for today. But now, guys, I tell you what. So we're gonna go ahead and head over to the models for a second, because I want to talk about timing, when these storms can be firing off here. So there's kind of two rounds. Essentially, we're going to be covering the second round, because the second round is going to be the one that's going to be nasty. So here's the idea. So we track our way down in time. The current time here is 15 Zulu, which is 11 a.m. Eastern. So as we work our way down here towards around, you'll see 18 Zulu, maybe 17, 18 Zulu, which that would be, let's see here. So current time is 15. So this will be about 1 p.m., 2 p.m. According to the HRRR, it does have a few embedded supercells rocking its way across portions here of northeastern Arkansas into western Tennessee. Now, if this was the case, obviously areas towards Memphis should watch out for this here, as those are pretty populated areas. Nashville is over here, which Nashville obviously isn't a risk here for today as well, actually in that enhanced risk. So whenever it comes to it, there's a couple of chances for a few discrete supercells, a couple kind of clustered embedded supercells. That will be possible kind of across these regions here. So obviously for portions of northeastern Arkansas, let's go ahead and draw that area again. So kind of for these regions in here, according to the HRRR, it does have a few embedded supercells being possible, basically between, 2 o'clock, right around 2 o'clock to, let's see here. Yeah, basically from 2 o'clock to 8 p.m., kind of having a few clustered supercells, actually continuing in. And then you look back here towards Missouri, right at 8 p.m., right around 8 p.m., we are seeing ourselves a kind of QLCS, almost like kind of like a squall line of, a type of thunderstorm activity kicking off there. And this whole line will be tracking its way down here to the southeast, which will be bringing a big problem for all hazards. Once again, tornadoes, embedded tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds. Now, like I said, since this line of storms, now obviously, like I said, today's biggest tornado probability is right in here, okay, right in this area here. That is where today's biggest tornado probability is. And like I said, the timing here is at 0 Zulu, which that is 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern, 7 o'clock p.m. Central. So the thing about that time is that is whenever it is nightfall. So obviously we have a threat for what we call nocturnal tornadoes. I don't like that probability, but we got a 10% chance of nocturnal tornadoes. Obviously, tornadoes at nighttime, there's a 10% chance for tornadoes, possibly EF2 plus. So we're talking violent tornadoes at night seems to be a big problem. Okay, so we're going to need to really, really be needing to look out there for that, okay? So once again, that is essentially what we are looking at. So a really big line of storms will be kicking its way off here, basically kind of starting here maybe. I mean, it could start off pretty early. I'd say probably around 6 p.m., 5 Central is probably when this line's going to start to fire off here, but it's going to be really going. It's going to be really starting to go here right around 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern. I'll probably be live maybe around 7 to 8 p.m. Eastern time. It's whenever I try to, I'm going to try to be live for today. So like I said, once again, there's also a possible few supercells capable of producing some tornadoes, large hail damaging winds that will be possible basically across these regions of, once again, northeast Arkansas, kind of western and central portions of Tennessee, northern Mississippi, northern Alabama as well. This will happen a little bit earlier before that line kicks off here, as early as, like I said, possibly as early as 12 o'clock maybe at the earliest Eastern time, so around 11 a.m. But I would not expect those things to really start kicking off maybe until like 2 p.m. or so. So honestly, keep it out there for that. But overall, that is the verdict here on the timing. That is what the models are, kind of showing here. So like I said, definitely is a quite nasty event that we have lining up here for today. Now, something I also do want to talk about here with you guys is the flooding threat. We have a really big threat for flooding today. So not only is there a threat for damaging winds, large hail, and tornadoes, but there is actually a really big threat here for flash flooding as well. The Weather Prediction Center issued a really large slight risk, severe threat level 2 out of 4 for flooding. The scale only goes up to 4 for flooding, but a level 2 out of 4, a slight risk here for portions of, obviously, basically from eastern Kansas all the way to kind of central Ohio today. And as far down south as like kind of north central north central Alabama. Actually, yeah, for northern Mississippi as well. So overall, across this region, you have a 15% chance of flooding, at least a 15% chance of flooding to occur. Once again, this includes some pretty populated areas. So obviously, if you live in a low-lying area across these yellow areas, there's a, like I said, a pretty small chance for flooding across the dark green as well. 5% chance for flooding. So you have a 15% chance for flooding within 25 miles across the yellow. And once again, a 5% chance across the green. So, once again, the greatest probability for flooding will be across the yellow. So, like I said, pretty popular areas like St. Louis, Missouri, Topeka, Kansas, Little Rock, Arkansas, Huntsville, Alabama, Memphis, Tennessee, Nashville, Tennessee, Bowling Green, Kentucky, Louisville, Kentucky, Indianapolis, Cincinnati, does not really show, but Cincinnati's there. Obviously, like I said, Peoria, I think that's in that area too, across that slight risk. So, once again, that's just kind of what we're talking about. So, big flooding here as well, on top of that damaging wind, tornado, and hail threat for today. So like I said, that is, kind of a big problem here, okay? Something we definitely have got to be looking at here for. Let's go ahead and turn off that. But once again, yeah, so one quick little update for y'all. If you guys are just now joining us, once again, we have a really big tornado threat for today. And like I said, I hate to say this, but it's going to be mostly happening at nighttime here for today. Once again, possibly between like 8 and possibly even continuing after midnight being possible. Let's see, midnight to 04 Zulu. Yeah, it kind of has, the models like the HRR kind of has that, that line dying out maybe around midnight Eastern to 11 p.m. Central. So obviously across the way, basically from what it looks like 8 p.m. to 11, just a long, nasty line of thunderstorms will be rolling its way through. Let me actually bring up the reflectivity here, kind of show you all the models at this point later on. We're overlaying the HRR here, but you can kind of see, once again, that line fires off here right around 6 p.m. according to the latest run, going through Springfield possibly around 7 p.m. or so, tracking our way a little bit further down in time towards like West Plains, Poplar Bluff, maybe around 9 p.m. Now, once again, these are some rough estimates here of timing out of these storms here. But like I said, obviously, the storms, or the greatest tornado probability will be happening possibly between like 6 p.m., and possibly there towards like 11 p.m. Between like 6 and 11 p.m. kind of seems to be the greatest time here for tornadoes. Like, so also large hail, 2 inches plus in diameter could be possible, and damaging winds. So yeah, this line could produce some damaging wind gusts over 80 miles an hour too. So that's a really big problem. So that's just kind of what we are looking at there. All right. Well, guys, I tell you what, let's see here. Is Aiden here? Is any of our mods, can one of our mods turn on slow mode for a minute, please? Because we're going to do some personal zip codes, okay? We're going to do some personal forecast. The reason I'm doing the 1 minute interval thing is because, if y'all have something to say, wait a minute between each time. So whoever moderator can do that, go ahead and set that up right now. That way, the chat does not go absolute crazy. And like I said, just don't spam. If I miss your zip code, which I will probably miss a couple of your zip codes, just keep on posting them, not like every minute or so. Just post them maybe every 3-5 minutes or so, and then we'll get into that here. But yeah, well, once again, go ahead and turn that on there. Our mods, either Arctic, Andy, or let's see here, Kai. If any of you guys know how to do that, be greatly appreciated. Yeah, turn it on for 1 minute. Oh, there we go. Thank you, whoever did that. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and dive on into these personal forecasts, y'all. I know a lot of y'all are probably wondering what the heck is going on in your current neck of the woods, so we'll go ahead and take a look at that. Let's go ahead and turn on the convective outlook so you guys can see what area we're looking for. I will pull up the convective outlook on my other screen. That way I can briefly show you I can briefly tell you the tornado probabilities, hail, and damaging wind threat. And let's go ahead and get this party started, y'all. All right, let's see here. Let me first turn zip codes on. Here we go. All right, let's see here. Who's going to be lucky number 1? Let's see. All right, we'll go ahead and go with Captain. Captain wants me to take a look here at 90125, 90125. Across portions here. Wow, not even in the United States. Okay. It's one way to start it off. Let's see here. Can't do anything outside the U.S., by the way, y'all. Let's see here. Cyclone wants me to take a look here at 41085, 41085. Across portions here of Kentucky. You, my friend, are in a marginal risk severe threat level 1 out of 5 here for today. Tornado probabilities is less than 2% chance. We're not expecting tornadoes today. Damaging winds 5% chance, and hail less than 5%. So your only concern is just a few wind gusts, maybe up to 60 miles an hour, seeming to be the possibility. All right, let's see here. Next up, we got ourselves, let's see, Alita Conroy. Let's see, once we take a look here at 62801. All right, let's see here. 62801 across portions here of Illinois. You, my friend, are in the marginal level 1 threat for today, giving you a 5% chance of overall severe weather. You do have a small tornado percentage today. You got a 2% chance for tornadoes, which, like I said, that's nothing to stress over. It's a really low probability, but there is a 2% chance of a tornado happening within 25 miles of you. Think of it this way: a 98% chance that a tornado won't happen within 25 miles of your surrounding area. So odds are fairly low. Damaging winds 5% chance, and hail 5% chance. So all hazards are possible, but they're just on the lower probability. So 5% chance of hail, quarter size, maybe slightly larger, 5% chance, really low probability. Damaging winds 5% chance, 60 to 70 miles an hour, and 2% chance for a brief weak tornado could not be ruled out. All right, let's see. Joseph, 71602, 71602, across portions here of Whitehall, Arkansas. You, my friend, are in the slight risk, that severe threat level 2 out of 5. You actually got a decent threat for today. Now, tornado probability is, I believe you're in a 2% chance for tornadoes today. Let's see here. You got a 15% chance for damaging winds 60 to 70 miles an hour, and you got yourself a 5% chance for hail, potentially quarter size to 2 inches in diameter at absolute max could be possible. All right, let's see here. Next up, 28K wants me to take a look here at 56301, 56301 for Minnesota. You, my friend, are in a marginal risk level 1 out of 5 northwest of Minneapolis. No threat for tornadoes up there. Let's see here. Damaging winds, 5% chance there. So, 5% chance of seeing some damaging winds, 60 to 70 miles an hour possible. Same thing for hail, 5% chance for, potentially quarter size to, essentially 2 inches in diameter at absolute worst. Being possible here. All right, I'm going to scroll down to the bottom of the chat. I'm going to keep the bottom of the chat open. All right, let's see who's next here. Holy cow, the amount of zip codes is unbelievable. Holy cow. All right, let's see. Next up, we got ourselves Arkham. Once we take a look here at 38375. Let's see, 38375 across portions of Tennessee. You, my friend, are in the big threat for today, an enhanced risk severe threat level 3 out of 5. Your tornado probability for today is a 5% chance. So there's a 5% chance a tornado could drop within 25 miles of you. In terms of damaging winds, okay, so you're in what we call a 30% hatched risk. So you got a 30% chance of seeing damaging winds 80 plus miles an hour. So you got to watch out for this line that's going to be happening later on today. Once again, your kind of mode is going to start out with a bunch of kind of scattered supercells throughout this afternoon, and then in the evening, late evening, another line's going to sweep through, and it could be damaging, producing in terms of large wind gusts essentially. Now, whenever it comes to hail, you have a 15% chance of significant hail, 2+ inches being possible. So yeah, you better be weather aware today. That's going to be quite a nasty day out there towards your location possibly. So make sure that you are constantly watching this, as it is going to be pretty nasty. All right, let's see here. Next up, we got ourselves, let's see, Amanda wants me to take a look here at 47421. 47421 for Indiana here. You, my friend, are in a severe threat level 1, so the lowest end of severe weather for today. No chance for tornadoes, so you don't got to worry about no naders. 5% chance for damaging wind gusts being possible. 5% chance for hail. So once again, damaging winds could be up to 60 to 70 miles an hour, and hail up to quarter size, maybe slightly larger, could be possible. But overall, your odds are very low. Just a 5% chance of that happening within 25 miles of you. So the odds are fairly low for the most part. All right, let's see here. Next up, we got ourselves. Let's see, Pancake Man wants me to take a look here at 42701. 42701 across Elizabethtown, Kentucky. We are talking a marginal risk, level 1 out of 5 for today. 2% chance. Let's see. Actually, no, you're right on the line between the 2% chance and the no tornado threat. So I'm going to go with, I think you're in the no tornado threat here for today, so that's good. So not really expecting many tornadoes out there your way. 5% chance for damaging wind gusts. Once again, maybe 60 to 70 miles an hour being possible. In terms of hail, 5% chance. So the odds, like I said, are fairly low of you seeing, like I said, odds are fairly low of you seeing anything, relating to damaging winds or hail. So, like I said, 5% chance for both. Hail size up to quarter size possible, but that's about the maximum being possible. All right, let's see here. Next up, we got ourselves Alyssa. Let's take a look here at, 63701. Let's see here, 63701 across Missouri. Okay, so you're in the enhanced risk. You're in that level 3 for today. So you actually have the biggest risk here for severe weather for today. Let's see here. Okay, so you, my friend, you cannot get any closer to that level 2 and that level 3. Let's see here. So you gotta, let's see. Still trying to, okay, so you're right up here. Okay, so you actually got a 5% chance for tornadoes. Let's see. You got yourself a 30% chance here for damaging wind gusts, basically 60 to 70 miles an hour possible, and 15% chance for hail, quarter size to 2 inches at absolute most being possible. So that's kind of what we're seeing here. Let's see here. Randy wants me to take a look here at 42050. 42050 for, let's see here, Kentucky. Oh, okay. Yeah, you, my friend, are on the extreme southwestern side of Kentucky. Enhanced risk level 3. You got a 10% chance for tornadoes being possible. Let's see, a 30 significant chance for damaging winds. So basically 80+ mile an hour could be possible. 30% chance of that happening within 25 miles of your current location. And in terms of hail, you got a 15% chance of hail quarter size to 2 inches in diameter. So, like I said, definitely want to watch out for that later on today. It's going to be pretty brutal. This line is definitely going to be a pretty nasty setup here. All right, let's see here. We have Kayla wants me to take a look here in Shelbyville, Indiana. Let's see, 46176. 46176. 46176 across Indiana. You, my friend, have a marginal risk level 1 out of 5 here for today. So you're kind of in that lower threat. Yeah, Indiana does not really have a big threat. No tornado threat, which is good. So you don't got to worry about no naders today. Your only concern is actually hail and damaging winds. Like I said, 5% chance you'll see some hail quarter size to, at absolute worst, 2 inches in diameter, but mostly around quarter size hail is probably what I expect. Damaging winds here, like I said, 5% chance here for damaging winds. Essentially, like I said, 60 to 70 miles an hour. So the odds, like I said, are fairly low. So, like I said, obviously, odds are very low. I'm not too worried for your location, as the odds are really not in your favor. Really not in your favor for the odds. All right, let's see here. Let's see, 37072. 37072. This is for, let's see here, 37072. Who was that for? I already lost that person. Whoops. Well, it's for Tennessee. Hopefully you're listening. They're north of Nashville. Okay, so Nashville has a 30% chance for damaging winds, 60 to 70 miles an hour, 5% chance for tornadoes, and a 15% chance for hail quarter size to 2 inches in diameter. Let's see, Tori with the $2 super chat. Thank you so much. Greatly appreciated. All right, so Tori wants me to take a look here at 62902. Obviously, like I said, that is a highlighted message. Obviously, any donators, like I said, thank you guys so much. I will get to y'all right away. 62902, cross portions here of Illinois. We are in a severe threat level 2 out of 5. Okay, so you do have a threat for possible severe storms for today. Whenever it comes to your probability, my friend, you are in a 5% chance for tornadoes today. 5% chance for tornadoes. Really, like I said, odds are still very low. 15% chance for damaging winds and a 15% chance for hail. So winds up to 60 to 70 miles an hour is possible. Hail up to quarter size to 2 inches in diameter is kind of the range and what we're looking at. But once again, thank you so much for the $2 super chat. Very, very sweet of you. Thank you so much. All right, let's see here. Next up we have Jackson. Once we take a look here at 38632. 38632. Okay, you, my friend, are across Mississippi. Okay, you got the big threat for today, my friend. Northern Mississippi. Okay, we're watching out here for you. You are in the 5% chance for tornadoes, so you're not in the largest threat for tornadoes, but you're kind of in that middle threat. 5% chance of a tornado dropping within 25 miles of your location. In terms of damaging winds, that's where it gets you, my friend. You got a 30 significant chance for damaging winds, basically giving you a 30% chance that winds could possibly exist within 25 miles of your location, 80+ miles an hour. So watch that one closely. This will likely happen for tonight. Also this afternoon, another round. This afternoon, a couple scattered thunderstorms will be possible, and in this evening, a possible line will roll through. Now, whenever it comes to hail, 15% chance for hail possibly 2 inches or higher in diameter. So really large hail possible out there as well. So be safe out there, my friend. All right, let's see here. Ice Cream says, how is Florence, Alabama looking? Let's see. Florence is right here. I remember where Florence is at. Let's see, 5% chance for tornadoes out in Florence, 30% chance for damaging winds out in Florence, 60 to 70 miles an hour, and hail, there's a 15% chance for hail 2 inches in diameter or larger. So pretty large hail out there as well being possible. So make sure you watch out for that, my friend. All right, let's see here. Who is next? Chronic Ninja wants me to take a look here at 38343. 38343 across portions here of Tennessee. All right, you, my friend. Oh, yeah, you're smack dab in the middle of that risk area. You're across west central portions of Tennessee. Let's see here. So you have a 10% chance for tornadoes. So you got a pretty decent shot for a couple tornadoes near your location. So basically, like I said, the way that works is within 25 miles of you, there's a 10% chance a tornado could drop basically, within that location. 30% chance for damaging winds. Like I said, basically, 80 plus. You're in that hatch zone, so watch out for that line later. And a 15% chance for significant hail, basically 2 inches in diameter and larger at max, could be possible. Let's see here. Michelle, thank you so much for the $2 super chat. Very, very sweet of you. Let's see here. Once we take a look at Northeast Oklahoma for 74354. 74354. Okay, so this is for Miami, Oklahoma. I actually saw this area here earlier. All right, so yeah, you, my friend, are kind of on the starting risk of that enhanced region. So you do have that level 3 out of 5. You got a really big shot for severe weather for today. Tornadoes, got a 5% chance, so you're not in the biggest threat for tornadoes. Be thankful for that. The odds are still fairly low with the 5% region there. Here's the thing. You got a 30% chance for damaging winds, 80+ miles an hour. So watch out for that. Damaging winds is your main take. Same thing for hail. You're in a 30% chance for significant hail, possibly 2 inches in diameter or larger. So you got to really look out for some storms here with extreme damaging winds, 80+, and hail 2 inches in diameter or larger. That's a really big problem for you out there. So make sure that you are weather aware out there. But once again, thank you so much for supporting the channel. Greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much. All right, let's see here. Next up, we have Shaylee, I think that's how you say your name. Once we take a look here at 35079. 35079 for portions here of Alabama. You got a slight risk, severe threat level 2 out of 5. North of Birmingham. We'll definitely keep an eye out there for that. Whenever it comes to it, you got a 2% chance for tornadoes. You got a 15% chance for damaging winds, 60 to 70 miles an hour. And hail, there's a 5% chance, my friend. So got to keep an eye out there for that. But remain safe out there. Like I said, later on, there's going to be kind of a line rolling through maybe early tomorrow morning if it can still hold up. But obviously this afternoon, a couple embedded supercells are possible. So keep an eye on that. Let's see here. Oh my gosh. Tori with a $5 super chat. Thank you so much, Tori. Very sweet of you. Saying thank you. One more, please. Paducah, Kentucky. My sister is worried. All right, let's see here. Paducah. I can already tell you where Paducah's at because I'm a Kentuckian myself. Paducah is in the slight risk, but you're close to that level 3. Let's see here. Probability for tornadoes, 5% chance out there. Let's see here. Damaging winds, there's a 15% chance for winds 60 to 70 miles an hour. And hail, 15% chance for hail, possibly 1 to 2 inches in diameter. So that's kind of what we're looking at. So you said it was your sister. So tell your sister, Tori, to be weather aware as all hazards are possible. But main concern is damaging wind gusts and hail. So once again, thank you for the 5. Very greatly appreciated. All right, let's see here. Next up, we got ourselves. Let's see here. Gonna take a look here. All right, so we have Maggie wants me to take a look here at 65653, 65653 across portions here in Missouri. You, my friend, are in a enhanced risk, that big threat for today. Got to keep an eye out there for that. You got a 10% chance for significant tornadoes. Okay, so you're in that big tornado threat. So basically what that means is that there is a 10% chance that a tornado could be quite strong near your location, maybe EF2 plus. So you're gonna really want to watch out for warnings later today, as a couple tornadoes could be possible across your location. Also, damaging winds. You have a 30% chance of seeing damaging winds 80 plus miles an hour, and hail. 30% chance of hail 2 inches in diameter and larger. You have the worst threat for today, my friend. You are smack dab in the middle of the worst of all hazards. So seriously, be weather aware. Constantly monitor the weather today because it could get nasty out in your location. So once again, please be safe out there. But yeah, that is a big risk for you. Please, please be safe out there. All right, let's see here. Who is next? We got ourselves. What about St. Louis, Missouri? St. Louis has a marginal level 1 threat for today. So, Missouri is in the threat for a couple severe storms, but kind of on that lower end for severe weather. There is a 2% chance of a tornado dropping within somewhere in Missouri. Let's see here. In terms of damaging winds, there's a 5% chance that, damaging wind gusts up to 60 to 70 miles an hour could exist out there. And hail, 5% chance for hail, basically 1 to 2 inches in diameter possible. Probably will remain around quarter size if hail does occur, essentially. Let's see here. LJD wants me to take a look here at 64083. 64083 across portions here of Missouri. Wow, you, my friend, are right barely even in the severe weather risk. So the odds are not really in your favor of seeing anything today. And with that being said, your only concern is actually hail, up to quarter size being possible. Odds are very low, 5% chance. All right, let's see here. Next up, we got ourselves, let's see here. Travis, see, 37801. Gotcha, my friend. 37801 across portions of Tennessee. Okay. Eastern Tennessee got a marginal risk, level 1. You're not in a tornado threat today, which is good. Let's see here. Damaging winds, you have a 5% chance for damaging wind gusts, 60 to 70 miles an hour, and you are right on the edge of that hail risk, potentially up to quarter-size hail being possible. So that's kind of what we're looking at out there. All right, let's see here. Next up, we got Big Crispy wants me to take a look here at 35127. Gotcha, 35127. And guys, if you have not already, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Be greatly appreciated. Maybe leave a like on this live stream if you guys do enjoy it. Like I said, it really helps out the channel and everything like that. So thank you guys. Helps get the word out there as well. All right, now for Birmingham here, we have ourselves a 2% chance for tornadoes. Let's see, a 15% chance for damaging winds 60 to 70 miles an hour. And in terms of hail, we are right on the line between that 5 and that 5 and 15% chance for hail, basically quarter size expected. So that is possible. Like I said, just remain weather aware here for later on this afternoon and evening, as, like I said, all hazards are theoretically possible out there. So just be safe out there, my friend. All right, let's see here. Let's see, Sadina wants me to take a look here at 37055. All right, let's see here. 37055 across portions of Tennessee. Oh, wow. Okay, so yeah, you're kind of in the heated area here for today. We're talking a pretty big threat. You're west of Nashville. Got a 5% chance of a tornado dropping within 25 miles of you. There is a 30% chance for damaging winds, 60 to 70 miles an hour being possible. And in terms of hail, you got yourself a 15% chance of hail, basically 1 to 2 inches in diameter possible. So that is, so basically, I would say basically from quarter to egg size hail possible. Out of some storms could be a possibility. Let's see here. All right, let's see. Next up, we got ourselves Deborah. Wants me to take a look here at, let's see, 37335. 37335. Cross portions here of Flintville, Tennessee. Okay, so you, my friend, are in same area. Got that level 3 out of 5. So you have a 5% chance for tornadoes today. Let's see here. You got yourself a 30% chance for damaging winds, 60 to 70 miles an hour. And hail, talking a 15 significant risk for hail, possibly 2+ inches in diameter possible. So look out for some large hail being a possibility out there, my friend. Be safe. Sedina wants me to take a look here at 37055. 37055 for portions of Tennessee. Y'all are in the same area. I tell you what, 5% chance for tornadoes out there, 30% chance for damaging winds 60 to 70 miles an hour, and there is ourselves a 15% chance here for hail 1 to 2 inches in diameter being a possibility out there. So watch out for that, my friend. Keep an eye on it. All right, let's see here. Next up, Columbus, Mississippi, please. Let's see here. Columbus, Mississippi. Okay, so you, my friend, are in that severe threat level 2 out of 5. Let's see. Your odds are, you're right on the edge of that, too. Okay, you got a 2% chance for tornadoes today. You got yourself a 15% chance for damaging winds 60 to 70 miles an hour and a 15% chance for hail quarter size to egg size being possible. Let's see. Tori, thank you so much for becoming a tropical stormer as well. That's awesome of you, Tori. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. You are very, very much appreciated here. Thank you so much, Tori. That's very sweet of you. Thank you for helping out. All right, let's see here. Big Ounce wants me to take a look here at 44677. 44677 across portions here of Ohio. You, my friend, are in a general thunderstorm threat, so we're not expecting any severe weather out your location here for today. Looking all right. All right, let's see here. Next up, we got ourselves Glitter. Wants me to take a look here at 42501. 42501 across portions here of Kentucky. You got a level 1 severe weather threat for today. Let's see here. Tornadoes, 2% chance. You're right on the line, though. 2% chance, 5% chance for damaging winds, 60 to 70 miles an hour being possible. And whenever it comes to hail, my friend, you have a 5% chance for hail, basically up to quarter size being possible. Kind of seems to be the possibility. So overall, that's your risk. All right, let's see here. Thank you so much, man. No problem. You're very welcome. Sophia wants me to take a look here at 62926. 62926 across portions here of Illinois. Okay, you got a slight risk level 2, my friend. Got to be on the lookout for today. Let's see. So you have yourself a 5% chance of a tornado happening within 25 miles of your location. Let's see here. You got a 15% chance for damaging winds, 60 to 70 miles an hour being possible. And whenever it comes to hail, you have a 15% chance for hail, basically 1 to 2 inches in diameter being a possibility out there. So, like I said, that is what we're looking at there, my friend. Let's see here. Can I check on 74338? Of course, 74338, cross portions of Oklahoma. Yep, you got a big threat, my friend. Enhanced risk. So actually, yeah, you're in that zone where you have a 5% chance for tornadoes, a 30% chance of seeing damaging winds, 80+ miles an hour, and a 30% chance for hail, possibly 2 inches in diameter or larger could be possible. Let's see here. Sadina, thank you so much for the $5 super chat. That's awesome. Thank you so much, Sadina. That is very, very, very sweet of you. Thank you so much, Sadina. Thank you absolutely so much. Everybody give Sadina a big thank you. Thank you so much for that. Greatly, greatly appreciated. All right, let's see here. Marcus wants me to take a look here at 65615. 65615 across portions here of Missouri. Level 3 out of 5. South of Springfield. Okay, so you got a pretty good shot for severe weather for today. Actually, I think, yeah, you're in the biggest risk, my friend. So you got a 10% chance for tornadoes. A couple of those tornadoes could be quite strong too, maybe EF2 plus, 10% chance of that. So please, please, please be watching out today for any warnings. Damaging winds, 30 significant chance. We got a 30% chance of wind damage, possibly 80+ miles an hour, or winds being 80+ miles an hour, which could cause wind damage being a concern. And hail, there's a 30% chance for significant hail, possibly 2+ inches in diameter. So all hazards, my friend, is a big possibility. Yeah, you're kind of in the bullseye for every hazard today, so please be careful out there. All right, let's see here. Let's see. Next up, we have AQUFT. I don't know how to say your name, but AQUFT, which wants me to take a look here at 62895. 62895 across portions here of Illinois. Got a level 1, my friend. Not really any big severe weather threat today. Got a 2% chance for tornadoes. Got a 5% chance for damaging winds 60 to 70 miles an hour. And hail, there's a 5% chance for hail possibly 1 to 2 inches in diameter being possible. So keep an eye out there for that. All right, let's see here. David, 391. Let's see here. 39120, right? 39120. All right. 39120 being a possibility. So you, my friend, are in Natchez, Mississippi. There's barely even a thunderstorm risk out there. So yeah, we're not expecting any severe weather, my friend. You are good to go. Let's see. Oh my gosh, Depression Stress. Thank you so much for the $5 super chat. Very sweet. Saying, will the morning rain help our tornado risk in Arkansas? Let's see here. So in this event, it does not look like it. Because what's going to happen is we're going to have a little bit of rain roll through, and then a line's going to form this evening. This line could form anywhere between 6 and 8 p.m. Eastern, so 5 and 7 p.m. Central. So that line's going to form, and obviously things are going to be able to heat back up by the time that line rolls through. So definitely have got to keep an eye out there for that. But anyways, but like I said, Depression Trust, once again, thank you so much for the $5 super chat. Very nice of you, and let's say greatly appreciated. Let's see here. Oh my gosh, Carrie with a $10 super chat. Holy cow. Carrie, thank you so much. Wow, that's very sweet of you. Thank you absolutely so much, Carrie. That's very sweet of you. Let's see, 65810, looking at timing of major rounds of storms aside from the 7 p.m. round. Thank you. Well, thank you for the $10 super chat. It's very sweet. Let's see, 65810. 65810. Across Springfield, Missouri. Okay, so yeah, as you know, you are in the big risk here for severe weather today, as you probably know. You're actually in kind of the big threat here. 10% chance for tornadoes, 30% chance for damaging winds, possibly 80+ miles an hour, and a 30% chance for hail 2+ inches in diameter. So you're going to really want to be careful out there. And you wanted to know specifically the timing. So the models has obviously rain rolling through for the next little bit. But yeah, no, that line is kind of your only main concern here, essentially. Like I said, it kind of seems like that's your main concern. So we're kind of talking, once again, maybe around 6 to 8 p.m. is kind of what we're talking about here with that nasty line of storms rolling through. There's a shot for a couple of thunderstorms before the main event, but they're probably not going to be severe. Probably just going to see those severe storms between 6 and 8 p.m. So that is that. But once again, thank you for the whopping $10 super chat. Very sweet. Thank you so much. All right, let's see. Leon wants me to take a look here at 57689. 57689 across portions of Singapore. I can't do that area. Sorry, my friend. All right, let's see here. David says, appreciate. No problem. No problem at all. All right, let's see. Midwest product reviews. Wants me to take a look here at 40202. 40202. That is really weird because that is like my birthday pretty much. Let's see here. Okay, so we have marginal. We have a marginal risk here for severe weather across Louisville today. So it's a possibility. Oh, Andy, thank you for the $1 super chat. Greatly appreciate it, Andy. So across your location, we are seeing not a tornado threat for today. Our concern is just a 5% chance for damaging winds, possibly 60 to 70 miles an hour at absolute max. And hail, 5% chance of hail, basically, probably hail sizes between 1 and 2 inches in diameter. I would estimate they would probably be around quarter size. I really wouldn't expect them to get much higher than, I really would not expect them to get much higher than, quarter size hail, essentially. All right, let's see. Tennessee Farm Girl wants me to take a look here at 38261. 38261. All right, for Tennessee. Okay. Yeah, you got a big threat there, my friend. So in terms of tornadoes, we have a 10% chance of a tornado dropping within 25 miles of you. In terms of damaging wind, 30% shot for damaging wind gusts, possibly 80+ miles an hour. And whenever it comes to hail, we got ourselves a 15% chance for hail, possibly 2+ inches in diameter. So definitely have got to be looking out for definitely got to be looking out there for the storms today, as like I said, it looks a little interesting. So be safe out there. Mostly space related. Once we take a look here at 37064, 37064 across portions here of Tennessee, as well south of Nashville. Let's see, 5% tornado threat, a 30% chance for damaging winds 60 to 70 miles an hour, and hail. 15% chance for quarter size to 2 inches in diameter hail being possible. That is that. All right, let's see here. I'm going to scroll down a little bit further. If I accidentally skip over it, just post it here again in a few minutes. Jay wants me to take a look here. Jay Kelly wants me to take a look here at 37361. 37361. Cross portions here of Tennessee. Got a severe threat level 2 out of 5. So you are in the risk here for today. Tornadoes, 2% chance. Damaging winds, 15% chance. Possibly 60 to 70 miles an hour being possible. And hail, we are talking a 5% chance of possible hail, basically quarter size to 2 inches in diameter being possible. So that's there for you, Jay. Be safe out there. Kyle says, can I do 63028 for me? Of course. 63028 for Festus, Missouri. Gotcha. You are in the level 2. You are barely in the threat, my friend. So you are looking mighty fine. 2% chance for tornadoes. Let's see, a 5% chance for damaging wind gusts, basically 60 to 70 miles an hour, and a 15% chance for hail, basically 1 to 2 inches in diameter, being a possibility out there. So be weather aware, my friend. Odds are, your greatest concern is actually hail, from what it looks like. All right, let's see here. Next up, we got ourselves Cinderbella wants me to take a look here at 35763. 35763, cross portions here of Alabama. Severe threat level 3 out of 5, my friend. Let's see, 5% chance for tornado, 30% chance for damaging winds 60 to 70 miles an hour, and a 15% chance for quarter-size hail to 2 inches in diameter being possible. So, yeah, you're going to definitely want to watch out for today's severe weather out there. Be weather aware, my friend, and be safe. All right, let's see. The Croc Boy wants me to take a look here at 67732. 67732. Cross portions here of Kansas. You're in a general thunderstorm threat. Shot for a couple thunderstorms, but they're not supposed to be severe. So you're looking good. No threat for severe weather out there, my friend. You are looking mighty fine. All right, let's see here. Brad Griffith wants me to take a look here at Arkansas. 72533. 72533. Cross portions here of Arkansas. Let's see. Enhanced risk. Severe threat level 3 out of 5. Okay, so yeah, you're actually in one of the big threats for today. 10% chance for tornadoes, 30% chance for damaging winds, 80+ miles an hour, so be aware for that. And hail, there's a 15% chance for hail, basically 1 to 2 inches in diameter being possible. So definitely remain weather aware. Main concern is actually damaging winds. The straight line wind damage is kind of your main concern out there. All right, let's see here. Next up, we got ourselves Rebecca Watts wants me to take a look here at 29072. 29072. Cross portions of South Carolina. We got a chance for a few thunderstorms, but they're not supposed to be severe. You're looking good out there, my friend. Flower Fields wants me to take a look here at 35630. 35630. Across Florence, Alabama. We got an enhanced risk, severe threat level 3 out of 5. We got a 5% chance for tornadoes. Let's see, a 30% chance for damaging winds, 60 to 70 miles an hour. And in terms of hail, we got ourselves a 15% chance for hail, basically 1 to 2 inches in diameter being possible. So be careful out there, my friend. But yeah. All right, let's see here. Coffee says, what about 37919? 37919 for Knoxville, Tennessee. You got a marginal risk here for today. Okay, severe threat level 1 out of 5. Let's see here. No tornado threat. Damaging winds 60 to 70 miles an hour, possibly. Hail, kind of outside of that hail threat, actually. So your only concern is damaging winds. For tomorrow, yeah, tomorrow we're talking a chance for some damaging winds and hail, possibly, as well. So 5% chance for that tomorrow as well. But yeah. All right, let's see here. Next up, we got ourselves Jenny Ray wants me to take a look here at 37160. 37160. Oh, I was not typing it in. 37160. There we go. For Shelbyville, Tennessee. Gotcha. Yep, you got that level 3 today. Got a pretty big risk out there, my friend. Be safe. Be careful. See, 5% chance for tornadoes. See, 30% chance for damaging winds. 60 to 70 miles an hour possible. And hail probabilities, we're talking ourselves a 15% chance for hail, basically 1 to 2 inches in diameter being a possibility out there. So remain safe out there, my friend. All right, let's see here. Is Nebraska okay? Yeah, no, Nebraska does not have any risk today. All right, let's see here. Heather King wants me to take a look here. What about 63664? 63664 for Missouri. You have a slight risk, my friend. Severe threat level 1 out of 5. Let's see. 2% chance for tornadoes. got a 15% chance for damaging wind gusts, basically 60 to 70 miles an hour. And hail, you got yourself a 15% chance for hail 1 to 2 inches in diameter being possible. So be safe out there, my friend. All right, let's see here. How many rounds for Florence? Probably 2 rounds. Probably going to start off pretty just kind of those clustered thunderstorms this afternoon, then later on this evening into tomorrow morning, probably a line will roll through if it can hold up by then. All right, let's see. Brendan says trucker going from Youngstown, Ohio to 37418. 37418 for... Did I do that right? 37418. Is that Brazil? It says Brazil. Are you traveling all the way to Brazil? Wow. Yeah, I can't do out there, my friend. Let's see here. What about Southern Illinois? Let's see, 62959. 62959 for Illinois. Slight risk, level 2 out of 5, my friend. Let's see here. 2% chance for tornadoes within 25 miles. 5% chance here for damaging winds, and a 15% chance for hail, basically quarter size to 2 inches in diameter, being possible. All right, let's see here. All right, Finn wants me to take a look here at 63028. 63028 for Missouri. You got a slight risk, my friend, south of St. Louis. Let's see here. 2% tornado threat. You got a 15% chance for hail threat, 1 to 2 inches in diameter, and damaging winds, 5% chance for 60 to 70 miles an hour. Being possible. So your main concern actually seems to be hail, believe it or not. All right, let's see here. Cold Dude wants me to take a look here at 60345. So 345 for... Yeah, it's out of United States territory. I can't do that, unfortunately. Sorry about that. Is this personal forecast? Yes. What about Joplin, Missouri? Yeah, Joplin's in a level 3 out of 5 here for today. 5% chance for tornadoes. See, yeah, 5% chance for tornadoes. 15% chance for damaging winds, 60 to 70 miles an hour, and hail possibly. Yeah, hail is kind of one of your main concerns out there. Possible hail, basically up to 2+ inches in diameter, could be possible. Yeah, kind of seems to be the possibility out there, my friend. All right, let's see here. Devin wants me to take a look here at 63771. 63771 across portions of Missouri. Severe threat level 3 out of 5. Southeastern side. Let's see here. 10% chance for tornadoes, it looks like. Actually, no, 5% chance. Sorry, it really kind of tight in between those risk areas. 5% chance for that. Let's see here. 30% chance for damaging winds, basically 80+ miles an hour possible, and 15% chance for hail quarter size to 2 inches in diameter being a possibility. Nothing's going on out there really in Texas, Ricky. Odds are very, very low. Let's see here. Yeah, no, there's basically nothing. The only area here that's possibly at risk is San Angelo, with a little marginal level 1 threat. But even then, the odds are, like I say, extremely low. Extremely low odds even then. What about Tulsa? 74114. Let's see here. 74114 across portions here of Tulsa. I already knew where Tulsa was at. I don't know why I had to look that up. Let's see. Slight risk level 2 out of 5 for today. Let's see. 2% chance for tornadoes. 15% chance for damaging winds. Got to keep an eye out there for that. Let's see here. And 15% chance for hail. So basically damaging winds could be actually 80+ miles an hour, but a 15% chance. And hail kind of expecting to be around maybe around, maybe 1 to 2 inches in diameter is possible. Could be possible. Let's see here. ATL, is that Geo? Let's see, hold on. ATL Geo, it cuts off for me. Thank you, dude, for the $5 super chat. Let's see here. Okay, Atlanta, Georgian. Thank you. For some reason, it cuts off on my other screen here. Thank you so much for the $5 super chat. Very, very sweet of you. Big shout out that goes to you. Thank you so much for that. That's very, very sweet. All right, let's see. What about 67357? 67357 for Kansas. Severe threat level 2 out of 5 for the southeastern side. Okay. You got a 2% chance for tornadoes, 5% chance for damaging winds, and a 15% chance for hail, possibly 2 inches plus. So you're got to watch out for a big old hail threat there, my friend. That's kind of your main concern. Dominic, once we take a look here at 3008. 3008. This is for Georgia. Severe threat level 2 out of 5 out there being possible. Let's see here. All right, so you, my friend, are not in a tornado threat. It doesn't look like you are. 15% chance for damaging winds 60 to 70 miles an hour, and a 5% chance for hail, possibly up to quarter size, being possible. All right, Jaden, 45005. 45005 for Ohio. You, my friend, are in a marginal risk, level 1 out of 5 for severe weather for today. No tornado threat, thankfully. Your only threat's damaging wind gusts 60 to 70 miles an hour, being possible. All right, let's see here. Next up, we got ourselves Life Talk with Jennifer and Harry. Once we take a look here at 30533, 30533, cross portions here of Georgia. Level 1 threat for today. Level 1 threat here for today. We're talking, let's see, no tornadoes today. Just a 5% chance for damaging wind gusts, possibly 60 to 70 miles an hour, being a possible concern. So, keep it out there. Got to throw on the big shades, y'all. Got to throw on the cool shades, because the reason I do this is not because I look cool, but because after a while of staring at my monitors, they do get to my eyesight. So my awesome aviators help that. Let's see, Douglas, thank you so much for the $2 super chat saying keep up the good work, Andrew. Oh, thank you, Douglas. Very sweet of you. Thank you so much for that. All right, let's see here. King John, once we take a look here at 10731. 10731, cross portions here of Romania. Can't do it out there, my friend. Sorry about that. Skywatcher, once we take a look here at 65803. 803, cross portion to Springfield, Missouri. Got an enhanced risk, severe threat level 3 out of 5 out there towards Springfield. 10% chance for tornadoes, 30% chance for damaging winds, being 80 plus possibly, and hail, 30% chance for possible hail, 2+ inches in diameter could be possible. Yeah, watch out there for that. Let's see here. Kyle, once we take a look here at 62964. Let's see, 62964. Cross Illinois. Level 3 out of 5, my friend. So you got a pretty good risk for severe weather. Yeah, oh my gosh, you barely made it in that 3 out of 5. 5% chance for tornadoes, 30% chance for damaging winds, basically 80 plus possible. And hail, we're talking 15% chance for quarter size being possible. So remain weather aware out there, my friend. Keep an eye on the weather for today, okay? All right, let's see here. Next up, Travis, can I take a look at 37186? 186 for Westmoreland, Tennessee. Level 2, which is a slight risk. You, my friend, have yourself a 15% chance for, 15% chance for damaging winds, 60 to 70 miles an hour, 5% chance for hail, basically, 1 to 2 inches in diameter, and a 2% chance for a couple tornadoes, or for a tornado happening within your location. So that's that. All right, let's see. Brandon King wants me to take a look here at 76901. 76901. Cross portions of Texas, San Angelo. Level 1 threat there for today, my friend. Let's see here. Damaging winds, 5% chance. And that's it. Literally just a 5% chance for damaging winds, maybe 60 to 70 miles an hour being possible. Atlanta, Georgian wants me to take a look here at 42101. 42101. Absolutely. Especially since you helped me out. That's very sweet of you, dude. Thank you so much. Southwestern areas of Kentucky. Fellow Kentuckian here. I'm in Kentucky as well. We'll see Bowling Green, level 2 out of 3. Or 2 out of 5. Well, really 2 out of 3 because today's 3 is the highest threat for today. Let's see here. 2% chance for tornadoes, 15% chance for damaging winds, possibly 60 to 70 miles an hour. And whenever it comes to hail, 5% chance. That is kind of what we're looking at for possibly up to quarter size. Let's see here. Let me look. Wow, Mud and Rockets for the $2 super chat. Thank you so much. Saying outlook on storm look like as it moves east for 27609. Let's see, 27609 for portions of North Carolina. All right, so yeah, obviously today is not a severe weather threat day for you. Tomorrow though, yes, you got a threat for tomorrow. Slight risk level 2 tomorrow. 2% chance for tornadoes tomorrow too as well. 15% chance for damaging winds and a 5% chance for hail, quarter size being possible. So damaging winds are probably around 60 to 70 miles an hour. But thank you so much for the $2 super chat. Very, very sweet of you, my friend. All right, let's see here. Next up, Republic wants me to take a look here at 357. Let's see, 35756. 35756 for Alabama. Severe threat level 3 out of 5 for northern Alabama here. Let's see here. Yeah, so you got to keep it out there for that. 5% chance for tornadoes, 30% chance for damaging winds, basically 60 to 70 miles an hour for 30% chance though. And in terms of hail, we are talking ourselves a 15% chance for hail, basically quarter size being possible. So make sure that you keep an eye out there for that being a possibility. Oh my gosh! Whoa, Travis! Is that Travis with a $20 super chat? It's getting cut off again. Travis Stratford, thank you, dude, for a whopping $20 super chat. Wow! That is so sweet of you. Thank you so much, Travis. Thank you so much, Travis. That is super nice of you. Big shout out goes to you. Thank you so much, Travis. Once again, that's super generous, super sweet of you. It means the world to me. Thank you so much. Wow. Very sweet of you. Thank you so much for that. Thank you, Travis. Y'all give Travis a big thank you for that. That's really sweet of you. All right, let's see. Kiewit wants me to take a look here for 37013. 37013 for Tennessee. Okay, so you, my friend, are in a level 3 out of 5 out there towards Nashville. Let's see here. So we have a 5% chance for tornadoes. Let's see here. 5% chance for tornadoes here. 30% chance for damaging winds, possibly 60 to 70 miles an hour. And whenever it comes to hail here, we're talking a 15% chance, for hail possibly being up to quarter size, being possible. Maybe slightly larger in some rare instances, but kind of what we're looking at. But once again, thank you so much, Travis. That's very sweet of you. I can't believe that. Thank you so much, Travis. Let's see here. All right, wow, y'all are coming back in with the zip code. I'll tell you what. All right, let's see here. Luke wants me to take a look here at 37090. 37090. Glad to see y'all are wanting to be weather aware today. That's good. Okay, so you have an enhanced risk. Oh my gosh, dude, you could walk across your yard, depending on where you're at. You could walk across your area here, and you could be between two different risks. You could be between two different risk areas. Like, holy cow. So, with your threat here, my friend, you got a 5% chance for tornadoes, a 30% chance for damaging winds, and a 15% chance for hail. So, damaging winds could be 60 to 70 miles an hour. Hail, probably quarter size, absolute most 2 inches in diameter possible. Let's see here. Mud and Rockets, Category 3 Club. Wow. Thank you, dude. That's super nice of you, man. Big shout out goes to you, Mud and Rockets. Thank you so much for joining the Cat 3 Club. That's very sweet of you, dude. Thank you so much. Absolutely rock, my friend. Thank you for that. It's very sweet of you. And welcome aboard. All right, let's see. Godzilla wants me to take a look here at 60148. 60148 across Illinois. You, my friend, have a general thunderstorm threat, so a chance for a couple thunderstorms, but, generally they're not expected to be severe. So obviously we're not too worried about those areas out there. But anyways, but y'all here soon. We're probably gonna call it a stream. We've already been live here over an hour. I got to prepare for later on tonight's live stream as well. We're gonna head off here later on tonight. So obviously, we're probably gonna call it a stream here in a couple minutes. Probably gonna end it here very, very soon, y'all. So, all right, let's see here. What about Stargate in Cincinnati? Well, Cincinnati has a marginal level 1 threat today. No chance for tornadoes. Only chances for damaging winds, maybe 60 to 70 miles an hour being possible. But yeah, that's about it. That's about your only concern. Nothing too crazy. All right, let's see here. Little wants me to take a look here at 54481. 54481 for Wisconsin. You have a marginal level 1 threat today. 5% chance for damaging winds, up to 60 to 70 miles an hour, and a 5% chance for hail, possibly up to quarter size being possible. But yeah. All right, let's see here. Penelope wants me to take a look here at 43138. 43138 for Logan, Ohio. Got a general thunderstorm threat, not expecting any severe thunderstorms today. So a couple thunderstorms could happen, but they're not supposed to be severe. Also, guys, if you've not already, please, 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 please do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button, hit that red button. It's free. Like I said, doesn't cost anything. It just helps get the word out there. It helps my channel out. It helps get the word out there to other people. So if you have not already, y'all, please do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button and leave a like. Be greatly appreciated, my friends. Just thank you all for being here. It's greatly appreciated. Like I said, we're going to be live covering this severe weather event today. Okay, we'll be live probably around, I'm thinking of going live between 6 and 8 p.m. Probably around 8 p.m. is what I'm thinking. So I can cover a lot of that nocturnal event. Because like I said, today's event, we're going to have some possible nighttime tornadoes, unfortunately, that we're going to need to look out there for. So we'll definitely have to keep an eye out there for it. 10% chance tornado risk. There's a chance for an EF5 tornado. There is a chance for some significant tornadoes, EF2 plus, being possible. But all right, last one we'll do is Kingston. See 47601, 47601 for Boonville. You, my friend, are in a severe threat level 1 out of 5. Let's see, 2% chance for tornadoes out there. See damaging winds, 5% chance, and hail, 5% chance. So damaging winds, 60 to 70 miles an hour at absolute most, and hail 1 to 2 inches in diameter. Could be possible. That's that. Alrighty, well, guys. Thank you all so much for joining us. Like I said, make sure you hit that subscribe button on the way out and leave a like. It'd be greatly appreciated. Really big shout out goes to our donators for today. Mud and Rocket, thank you so much, dude, for Category 3 Club. That's a big membership. Thank you so much, dude. Mud and Rockets, you rock, man. Travis with a whopping $20 super chat. Wow. Thank you so much, Travis. Once again, very sweet of you. Thank you so much. Also, Mud and Rockets with a super chat as well. Douglas, thank you so much. Atlanta Georgian, Andy, Carrie, Depressed and Stress, Sadina. Let's see, Tori with the Tropical Stormer. Tori with 2 other donations as well. And Michelle, thank you so much for donating. You guys absolutely rock. Thank you all so much. But like I said, once again, everybody, thank you all for being here. Thank you guys for being a part of this awesome community. We love you guys. Once again, thank you so much to all the supporters for today. And all right, well, we'll catch you guys here later on. Stream's going to head off here now in 2 minutes. So if you guys have anything you want to go ahead and say to your friends and family, the stream will be over in 2 minutes. But all right, well, guys, once again, hit that subscribe button on the way out. Leave a like. It'll be greatly appreciated, guys. Once again, big shout out goes out to Tori, Michelle. Let's see here, Sadina. We have Depression, Stress, Carrie, Andy, Atlanta Georgian, Douglas, Mud and Rockets, and Travis. Thank you guys so much for your support today. Y'all absolutely rock. We love you guys. All right, guys. Well, we'll catch y'all later on for today's coverage. Once again, probably going to be live around 8 p.m. Eastern, 7 Central. Hope to see you guys there. And all right, y'all take care. We love y'all. Be safe out there. See you guys later on. Peace out, my friends.